offer is still remaining the same, where he would have to admit responsibility to the failing to wear the crash helmet driving on a revoked license. However, Golston does not have video capability to be able to view any of the evidence in an adjournment, possibly having him to appear in person and walk through the discovery.
The judge can already tell this is going to be a difficult case.
Speak with counsel. Can I finish what I'm saying, please? As you can see, counselor, he doesn't have video capability. He requested an adjournment so he can be in person. Now, Mr. Golston, is that what you want to do?
I want to, Your Honor.
And I'd rather somebody else represent him. Based on our discussions in the breakout room.
The judge brings in another lawyer, hoping to resolve the confusion.
And speak to Mr. He's got the best attorneys in the city here talking to him, and he speak to him, see if you can understand what this man wants to do.
I'll do my best, Your Honor.
Join the room, please. She indicated that she was going to allow him to have a trial. For some reason, she's already reviewed the stuff, and I guess that's what she said. And he according to her, he indicated that he would. So join the room and see.
The defendant is now speaking with his second court-appointed lawyer.
Let's go back on the record with Mr. Golston. Mr. Golston, two great lawyers. What are you going to do?
They ain't gonna listen to me. I'm trying to get this money together. What you tell about, girl? That mine's over with.
All right, I hear your conversation.
The judge begins to question if the defendant understands anything.
Let me ask you this, sir. Do you know what's going on today? Right. And do you know why you're here? Okay. Now, let me ask you this. You spoke with Ms. Harris in the breakout room earlier, correct?
Correct.
Questions.
Okay.
You and her had a nice long conversation, correct? But, pardon me? And you guys were you understood what she was saying, right?
The judge explains the severe consequences of the defendant's choice.
I know.
Well, this revoked license, that's a $240 fine, and the fine. That's $345. You want to take that deal?
Yes.
So you understand that this is going to further implicate your license, where you won't probably have a license for some time after this? That's what I think Ms. Harris was trying to save you from.
Right.
I know she knows your license needs some appeal hearings because of the nature of the status of it revoked. But she's this deal, then those appeal hearings are probably going to be for naught, because then they're going to know that you're supposed to, and they're going to further suspend your
license. The lawyer
license.
disagrees with the judge's assessment of the situation.
Doesn't understand the full ramifications.
Disagree, because none of can't divulge what we discussed. That's not factually accurate about our discussion.
The prosecutor issues a final non-negotiable offer.
I do, Your Honor, for the record, for Mr. Golston's knowledge, if we come back for trial, I want to come back as charged on every count. There'll be no offers on the next date.
All right.
After another talk, the lawyer has had enough and tries to quit again.
I'm back to trial and entering a plea against my advisement, my own representation.
All right. I'm going to deny the request.
The judge makes a final decision to handle this confusing plea in person.
Ms. Harris didn't go over those rights with you? I'm going to have them come in. Come in Thursday of next week. You need to get this in person, and we need to sign this stuff in person. So offer will be available next week. It'll be open next week. I'm just going to mark the file that this is going to be the offer, but we're going to take the plea in person.
A defendant named Mr. Goldston created chaos in court by refusing to clearly listen to or cooperate with his lawyers, even though the judge described them as some of the best attorneys in the city. The case involved charges of driving with a revoked license and failing to wear a crash helmet, with a plea offer that included fines and reduced consequences. His lawyer requested an adjournment because the defendant could not properly review the evidence online, but after confusing conversations and strange responses from Mr. Goldston, the lawyer even asked to withdraw from the case. The judge repeatedly tried to make sure the defendant understood the charges, the plea deal, and the serious impact another driving conviction could have on his already revoked license. Despite warnings from both the judge and attorneys, Mr. Goldston insisted on accepting the deal against legal advice, causing frustration and confusion in the courtroom. In the end, the judge decided to delay the plea until the defendant could appear in person the following week, showing how refusing to listen in court can quickly turn a simple case into a complete mess.